guys, it's Carrissaelaine here and I'm back with another video. I just wanted to film something new and exciting for you guys. So I picked this lash kit up at the store and I will be showing you guys how to apply it today. I'm going to be trying the new Falscara by Kiss lash kit. So that explains the lack of mascara on my eyes. It's really cool because it has the tweezers to apply the lashes. You get a mascara that bonds and seals these lashes to your natural eyelash. So it says there's no clumps, no smudges, no strips, no damage, and no mistakes. So we'll see about that. When the mascara just isn't enough, you'll love the look of lash extensions and you don't want to deal with the strip lash and glue. So they have a video on kissusa.com and it tells you how to apply it on the back. So I'm just gonna follow the directions. So I'm gonna read through this and I will be right back. Alright guys, this seems pretty basic, so let's just get on into it. I was reading through the tips on the back and the first thing we're going to do is apply the bond. So it says a little bit goes a long way. And then we're going to apply the natural lash, and instead of going on top of your lash line, we're actually going to be applying underneath your lash line. So you're going to want to have a mirror so that you can really see and get up close. So I'm just pulling this out of the package, and I like how it has the lashes on this little dropped them. Well, it did come with these tweezers, which I really like, just for any lashes. And it has this little tray to organize your lashes. And these are reusable, so that's a great thing. This retailed for $20, which isn't bad if they last all day and I can get a couple wears out of them. So we're gonna see how this works. This is the bond and the seal in this little tube. It says that there's biotin in the bond. So I'm gonna get a mirror so I can see what's going on up close, and I will try to film this as best as I can for you guys. Okay guys, so I'm back. We're gonna start by applying the bond onto the natural lash. This says a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just gonna be applying that. Okay, I'm gonna do one eye at a time so this doesn't dry before I need it to. Now, when you're looking at this, you want to make sure that you're thinking about what side is going to go on which. So we're going to take from the outer edge and start on the outer edge. So I'm just picking it up. So I like that these are slanted, then you can just grasp it. Be careful not to break them. Pull it. And we're gonna go under the eye. It also said that you can pinch together with either the tweezers or your fingers to get these to stay. You can't really tell because there's just one, but that actually worked really well. One thing I'm noticing though is I'm blinking and there's my natural lash from the bottom is starting to want to stick, so I'm trying not to blink. So we're gonna take the next eyelash under. And it says you wanna go close to the waterline, but not right up to it. There we go. Wow, that is surprisingly easy. That's crazy. So far I have 2 on. Keep on going. There's 5, I guess, altogether for each eye. So 10 total. So we're gonna move on. Have it in your tweezers like that. Get as close as you can. It's hard. To the lower lash line. Boom. So I'm kind of going from an underneath motion, and as soon as I get it where I want, I release. Then take my fingers, press it. Super easy. Okay, last one on this eye. Wow, I am very impressed. Okay, so we're gonna seal it with the other side. So I'm kind of using this to really blink and press those lashes, connecting them to my natural lash. Wow, this is so cute. Okay, sorry for being so up close, but I want you guys to really get this process so you can see the difference with one eye done. Super fast, way easier than using the Ardell Wispies and individual glue. I've done that in the past. It takes me a lot longer than this. You get the same effect with a little bit less hassle, so I love that. We're gonna finish off the same eye, and honestly this blends in so well to my natural lash. I might be able to get by with just doing this and no mascara. So I'm going to finish this eye and I will be right back. Okay. So far, I've only been filming this process for 5 minutes and 40 seconds. That is extremely fast. For my first time doing it, I'm sure I can pick it up and get both eyes done in this amount of time. That's awesome. So one thing I'm noticing is the bond is black, so it is gonna help blend the fake lashes into your natural lashes, so you don't necessarily need to apply mascara with this, which I think is awesome. I'm probably just going to apply some on my bottom lashes. And I'm going to be sure to check in with you guys later throughout the day and give you guys an update with how they wore at work. And I'm going to film or maybe check in after I wash them and put them away at the end of the day, just to give you my overall experience. The lash from this outer section, getting as close as I can to the base with these tweezers, and I'm trying to wiggle them out. They come out pretty easy and I haven't ripped any yet, so I'm very happy. Now taking the lash from the underneath, getting it as close as I can to the lash line, but not in the lash line, or water line I should say. Pinch it together and move on. Pick up your next lash. Kind of wiggle it out of there. Get it nice and close to the base of the eyelash so you have more control with it. And then get it nice and close to your lash line. Those are just going on so amazingly easy. It's mind-blowing. I'm actually speechless, so that should say something. third one in. Wow, super simple. So let's put on the seal. So the bonder has biotin and the seal has vitamin E. Makes me feel like these are some good ingredients, or they're trying to just keep better integrity of our lashes, which is good. Get this mascara off my face and apply some of the green, I think this is the False Lash Effect by Lash Princess mascara on the bottom lashes, and I will be right back to just show you the completed look. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I think these turned out amazing. They're super lightweight, extremely natural looking. I didn't even apply mascara to the fake lashes, just on my bottom lash line. I'm super impressed, like I said. Right now I'll give this a 5-star rating. I will check back in with you guys in a couple hours just to tell you about my experience throughout the day and how easy they are to take off. So you guys have a good day, and I will meet up back with you later. I didn't end up getting on here last night, but I did take off the lashes, and I just wanted to let you guys know that they were extremely awesome. They worked amazing. I wore them for I think 7-8 hours yesterday. Didn't have any problems throughout the day. I just used some heavy oil to remove them, and that's what I wish I would have done differently. I could have honestly just used a hot rag with water on it and took them off that way and then cleaned them off with Q-tips, but I just used the oil instead, and I damaged some of the lashes doing that. So I'm actually going to try buying some individual lashes and using the bond and seal that came with the kit with just some extra lashes, so I could play around with different styles and things like that. So if you just want an alternative to strip lashes, this is great so you don't get as much lash glue around your eye area. I find it was very easy to apply and it looks extremely natural. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video, and stay tuned for more videos in the future. If you like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you've tried these out or if you're going to try them out. Have a good week, guys. Bye.